7:30 in the morning. Sun is coming up. This is the first morning coming down to the barn to say good morning to, well, everybody, including our newest friends, Juno and Chase. So let's see how they are this morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Did everybody have a good sleep last night? Huh? Did everybody have a good sleep last night? Good morning, everybody. Hey, guys. Good morning, Juno and Chase. Good morning, Green Legs. So everybody said they ready to come out. Good morning, everyone. June and Cash. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. Okay, guys, good morning. Yeah, let's let the birdies come out first. And I'm gonna get them a little bit of food here. I know they hungry, huh? Okay, guys. No, this is not for you. Hey, hey, hey. No, sir, and no, ma'am. All right, I'm going to wait to feed them. We got to get the birdies out first, huh? Good morning, everybody. Did you sleep good last night? Did you have a good sleep? Oh, the big stretchies, huh? Hey, sir. Sir. Okay. Let you guys come out. You gotta go pee-pees, huh? Good morning, babies. Good morning. Come on out. Hi, sweetie. Hi, Juno. Hi, Chase. Oh, the big stretchies. Yes, they want to go pee-pees, huh? Let's come and go pee-pee, huh? Good boy. Come on, pretty girl. Hi, guys. Good morning, everybody. PJ, Angel, Sweetie, Spunky, June, Cash. We're going to get some fresh water here in a minute, huh? Get this day rolling. There we go. All right, big boy, let's come down here and get some water. Come on. Where's Juno? Say, come on, Juno. He said, this is my first morning. I don't know what to do, Ma. What am I supposed to do, Ma? But I am hungry, Ma. I'm hungry. All right, let's get some water in here. Yeah. Come on, Juno. Good boy, Chase. Good boy. You know, good boy. Come here, little baby. A good pee-pee. Come on, Juno. Hi, Cash. What's Cash think? How's his little head feeling this morning? We got to give you 2 injections this morning, huh? So Cash, we just found out through blood work the other day, has abscesses on his liver, which apparently has come from feeding him too much corn. So he's on a regimen right now of daily injections of vitamin B and antibiotics. And the vet says, hopefully we caught it early on, so the prognosis is good. Right? Where's your sister? Where is your sister, huh? Hey, Mama just getting fresh water for everybody. Here we go. There we go. So we'll see how Juno does today. She's very timid, The man who we picked them up from said that she's very hard to catch and she's very timid and she's the little small one. So hopefully she'll come out on her own. There's some fresh water for everybody. Oh yeah. He says, hi CJ. Did you guys sleep good last night, huh? Did everybody sleep good last night? Good morning, pretty girl. Hey, Green Legs. Hey, Olivia. Hey, Penny. Hey, Flo. Hi, Peter. Hi, Blackie. Good morning, everybody. Woo. My goodness. Green Legs. Good Lord. Be easy on her. Easy. Poor Peter. First thing in the morning, huh? Say no fair, no fair. So this morning I don't want to go in there and get her out. I'm glad that she's comfortable in here. And today's just going to be our first full day of her just getting used to us and watching us. It's very important not to, chase her around. He's definitely very personality-wise awesome. And she's just going to take a little bit of time to warm up to us. I didn't hear a peep out of them last night, so that's good. And when I came down this morning, they were clearly comfortable. So now we're just gonna get the day started. I'm gonna get you guys some breakfast. There's one. There's two. And of course, Cash hears this. I don't want to feed them while the lambs are in here. Hey, Cash, good boy. Okay, I'm gonna wait for just a second to feed you guys till they get back out here, okay? He's a good boy. Come here. Good morning. Good morning. Did he sleep good last night? Did he sleep good, huh? I know, that little head. He says, Mom, my head's just fuzzy. I a little bit dizzy, Ma. Green Legs. Green Legs. Good babies. All right, let's get this day started. Good girl. Look at there she comes. Good girl. You hungry? Here you go, babies. Do one for you. And one for you, baby. Come on. Good girls. There you go. I couldn't have asked for a more perfect morning. Let the day begin, huh? Okay. They're used to eating out of one big bowl. I did see that there. So that's why they're sharing that.